This protest, as we were saying earlier, has been going on for years. So why have authorities decided to act now?
Yes, absolutely. Environmentalists have been living in parts of this forest for 6 years now, trying to prevent it from being taken over by the energy company, the trees razed to the ground and the coal mine expanded. And so this is something we've also seen play out in the courts in recent years. Environmentalists have started a legal action claiming, amongst other things, that the forest should be kept because they're a very important protected species living there. And there have been ongoing talks between the RWE energy company and environmentalists, but these broke down on Tuesday of this week, at which point the RWE energy company decided to keep to its deadline of expanding the coal mine into this part of the forest on October the 1st, which of course means they need to get protesters out before then. So we've seen hundreds of police out in Hambach and Force trying to, as peacefully as possible, clear the protesters who've been inhabiting this part of the forest. And of course, coal usage remains very controversial in Germany. This is a country known for investing heavily in renewable energy. And so why does it still get almost 40% of its energy source from this very dirty energy source, this lignite, this brown coal, which is mined in Western Germany, one of the worst offenders when it comes to CO2 emissions? Well, the answer given by local authorities and indeed the government's emissions commission, they say that this is really a bridging temporary solution as Germany tries to catch up when it comes to investment in renewable energies. They say that coal does not have a long-term future as an energy source in Germany because it is so dirty, but it is needed in the short term to keep the German electricity grid so strong. But it remains incredibly controversial here. And of course, expanding this current mine into part of this historic forest will do, as environmentalists say, irreparable damage to the local nature.